As we enter dito sa actual unit natin, no,
Yes.
sir, this will be your kitchen.
Yes, sir. As you can see, it's an open kitchen layout. So as you enter, you have this solid surface countertop here. And then the cabinets here at our kitchen, they're already included. So you can, pwede natin siyang pakita later. And then here, sir, the kitchen range hood is already included also. Same brand, it's Meg.
Oh.
So for this, sir, naman, there's a provision, but the client will provide for this. And then here, sir, this is also included, the cabinet, sir. And this one also, the sink and the faucet, of course, those are included.
So at least konti na lang din yung idadagdag ni
Yes, sir.
client.
So upon turnover, it's fully finished, but not furnished. So for example, sir, for the flooring, we use engineered wood flooring. That's also included na in our deliverables. So it's real wood, sir, on top with a mix of other materials.
Yep. So this will be your kitchen. And I wonder kung ano yung pintuan na yun. So
Yes, sir.
what's
Sige.
that,
So this, sir, actually, sobrang favorite to ng mga unit owners natin. Because it's actually like a maid's quarter. Some of our clients would love to turn this into an extension of their pantry, aside from the cabinets here.
So meron din siyang parang a little bed.
Yes, sir. And then the washer and dryer is here. So stackable, pwede siya. And then we also have meron siyang ensuite toilet. So that's aside from the 2 toilet and baths in that area. So additional pa to.
Oh, that's nice.
Sige, pwede ka magpasok.
Let's go. Okay na din siya. Yung
Yes,
space
sir. Actually, so yung iba parang pwede siyang storage. For some, they're asking is parang, pwede ba siya maging office? Ganyan.
Yeah. For those
ano
who
mo lang
love...
yung buksan mo lang yung door, yung aircon can pass through.
Kasi some of our clients are like work from home, so they could set up at least mini office
sir.
if they want more privacy, parang
Yeah.
division or partition with their parang pinaka higaan nila.
Living and dining area,
oo.
tsaka bedroom also.
Tara,
So
sige,
ganda
let's
nito,
go.
sir.